look like he can sing. He look like he can sing. All right. So do me a favor. Tell these fine people out here what your name is.
My name is Rich.
I'm trying to take my job.
I see that.
I'm working on it.
I see
I'm
that.
working on it.
Rich.
Yes.
All right, Rich. I'm going to ask you a question. The same thing I asked her, and I want you to answer it the same way. You ready?
I'm ready.
Do you know this song?
Yes, I know this song.
Here go, boy. I like this. I really like this. All right, we're going to sing this first verse of My Girl with this fine young man. You ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Thank you, brother. Thank you. It's cold outside. I've got them on the way. Come on. He got it, y'all. He got it. He got it. Thank you so much. Thank you.